Is it possible to film, edit, and deliver a Super Bowl style commercial in under 24 hours? Would it take a full crew, expensive camera equipment, top tier audio equipment? As someone who's a full-time videographer, that sounded completely impossible until I came across this video where this YouTuber was able to do it by taking a filmmaker approach, which was something completely different from how I would do it. So the obvious question was, would I, as a videographer, be able to make something just as good, if not better, by doing it completely different and have that thing wrapped up and delivered in 24 hours? Can it be done? I'm actually not sure, but we'll see. A traditional filmmaker would craft a commercial by writing a script, hiring a cast, and then meticulously filming and editing to that script. But I'm taking what I call the archetype approach. A lot of people do this, but it's my video. I'm starting by choosing a song before I even know what, where, or how I'm gonna shoot. The song sets the tone and gives me an edit already in my head. And because I wanted to do something practical that you could do like today, maybe even tomorrow, is I'm shooting a commercial for a real local business. New client just dropped. This place is called Trio. Back when I first became a videographer, I did a little thing called free to fee, which means every time you want to do a new type of video for a new type of client, you do that first one for free. I did that to approach businesses, sports teams, whatever you can think of. For the sake of this video, I sent a DM to a new business that just opened. It's called The Trio. The Trio is a really fun combination of things. It's a movie theater, it's a bar, it's a restaurant, it's got a golf simulator, it's got pickleball, it's got tennis. Is tennis supposed to be an indoor or an outdoor sport? Only thing it doesn't have is a reason to stay home. Am I right, fellas? If you're a videographer, I dare you to try that. Why would anyone say no to free content? Just saying. Now that I have a song in a place, it's time to figure out how I'm gonna shoot it. So I had a quick meeting with the marketing manager and I asked her, what are the main things of your business that you want to be highlighted? Now with the song chosen, check it out, it's pretty cool. And a quick meeting with the marketing manager to nail down what she wants highlighted from the business. I knew exactly what to shoot and how to edit it. But here's the elephant in the room. I'm shooting a commercial for free. There is no budget. And guess what? That is not a damn problem. In this industry, you're often forced to do a lot with a little. Ballers know how to ball. I committed to turning this around in 24 hours, which really makes it a real life scenario. Sometimes you cover an event or do a filming. A quick turnaround isn't just a bonus, it's essential. I know a lot of people are gonna argue against that. Where's your video at? We're gonna get exterior shots, interior shots, and we're filming it for a 60-second ad, and we're over filming so that we can over deliver. And if they wanna buy some more edits, they can. And I know what you're thinking, he's handheld. Dude, it's called internal stabilization. I'm also shooting in 4K 60. You're not gonna be able to tell, I promise you. The plan right now is to just get establishing shots and get detail shots. The establishing shots were more from the drone. I'm just getting details, so logos, creative shots. I'm shooting on a 24-70 so I can get pretty tight with it. We like it tight in this channel. If this gets 100,000 views, will you come back for part 2?
I guess so.
By the way, I don't have an ND filter, any sort of filter. I'm just raw dogging it with the high shutter speed. Me and Jacob went to film school together, and that was one of the things they told you not to do. Is that right, Jacob?
That is right.
These are really cool cushiony seats. So everything that's a nice little feature is something that should be highlighted in these kinds of shoots. Let me know, like in the comments, have you ever seen a theater that has like trays? You can get like a burger and come in and eat it here while reclined. I think that looks cool. Comment and let me know if it looked cool. That is it. We have about an hour and a half worth of footage for a 60-second commercial. How long do you think it'll take to get to you?
24 hours.
Okay, it's 11:30 a.m. right now. You have to be watching this video by 11:30 a.m. tomorrow. Can it be done?
I have faith in you.
Okay, let's get to it. In a typical filmmaker's world, this would cause a panic. In my chaotic videographer world, I'm always panicking, but not this time. Yo, hey.
I'm on my way home.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm breaking my YouTube streak of not uploading, and I got the motivation to make a video. I shot to edit, and I'm not just editing what I shot. The next few hours are going to be brutal piecing this whole thing together. It's 8:49 p.m. and I'm happy to report that I have a rough cut. I'm honestly like 85% of the way done. I'm gonna break down a few key editing choices I made instead of showing you my entire editing process. Editing to the beat. The song's rhythm drives the pacing, which just means cut to the beat. Sound design. If you add a couple sound effects like this one, you can really immerse the viewer into what they're watching. Dynamic color. I aim for colors that pop, bright enough to catch the eye, but balanced so that they don't feel overdone. And my personal favorite, storytelling. By nature, commercials should be a little informative, but more importantly, entertaining, because nobody wants to watch a commercial. But if it doesn't feel like it's a commercial, they're a little bit more willing to watch that. Think about the times that you've seen a video that turned out to just be promoting something. The intense editing session took me around 10 hours. After finishing, I decided to call it a night, planning to give it one final look in the morning before presenting it. One final touch that I did add in the morning was adding a little site vignette and throwing the logo and the website at the end of the commercial. All right, it's showtime. Let's roll the commercial and see what they think. I am absolutely thrilled that they loved what I had.
That's good.
Yeah.
Like, way better than
I don't know what I expected, but that was much better than what I expected. I had faith in you, but I didn't know it was gonna be that good.
Thank you. Can you say that one more time? Did that video prompt you guys to inquire about my services more often?
Absolutely.
Well, yeah, this commercial was for a 24-hour challenge to see if I could make a commercial in 24 hours. Did I do it?
You did it.
I am absolutely thrilled that they loved what I made. I'm actually pretty proud of myself that I even made it happen in 24 hours. If you want to see the commercial, you can go ahead and click right here, and YouTube seems to think you'll like whatever the heck this is. Huge shout out to Isaac Carlton for kickstarting the challenge.